Just arrived at the first stop. The tour guide is so fun. I think next stop is gonna be the tunnels, and then we're gonna go to the Mekong. We have arrived to the tunnels, and the sun is out.
Alright, then get in. Maximum looking. She's Monsai, very easy.
Perfect.
Okay, you. Oh, very strong, huh? And you go back to Saigon. Okay, on the right.
It's currently 11:48, and we're gonna have lunch here. Just arrived at the Mekong Delta. I think we all slept in the car. I'm so tired now. I feel so sleepy still. But we're taking the boat.
Alright.
You don't like it? How is it? I'm not quite sure what liquid they added. How is it? It tastes like honey. How about the yellow thing? Yeah, it tastes like honey. Did you taste just the yellow thing? No. Tastes weird.
Nice one inside is sand. Many
Thank you. Rice
Breakfast rice. Eat the butter leaf. Brown rice. Seaweed. Eat banana leaf.
Nhưng mà already taste fine.
Very good. Pha vô mặt thôi để đấy.
look at there. Family Vietnamese. Pineapple. That's one the grapefruit. Longer fruit or the
We just had some fruits and now we're gonna do the rowing boat like that. in Disneyland.
Yeah, exactly.
With the music.
Yeah, exactly.
It's okay. I don't know if I'm much help though. It's currently 8:30 and we came back to the hotel. I don't feel well at all. Like I have a massive headache and it's raining a lot outside. We ate pho, it was really good, and we bought some banh mi on the way. I'm gonna eat it like later because I'm not full, but I can't really eat right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna rest. We need to pack. Next stop is gonna be Nha Trang and then Hanoi. Quick room tour.
After we completely messed up the room.
Yeah.